Today we'll talk about how can you log out of your account on your Olymptrade app. We're going to figure out this solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click here in this sign, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. You will find here logout, you just click on it here. So then automatically here it's going to take you out of your account on your Olymptrade app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watching.